How to add images and hyperlinks to an existing signature in Outlook. First of all, open Outlook from your computer, then click File, then Options, then select Mail from here. Expand this, then click Signatures, then click on existing signature from here, then tap this body icon. Now click the picture icon from here. Now upload a photo from your computer like this. Then to add a hyperlinks, click the link icon from here. Then click on address bar and paste the link here. And that's it. Then click OK. Then again OK. Then OK again. And that's it.